Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. Good morning to you all. If you're here with me on the Discord or in the YouTube chat, go ahead and say what's up. We have a lot of people. I'm going to start right here. My goodness gracious. GC Wolf, Vadim, Silent and W, Liquid Flows, Kenny Retberg, Lucifer, Silent and W, Scott Bro, SW, Vadim, Ray, Kenny Ferrari, Phil Spastrick, Scorpion Futures in the house, Luna, what's up, buddy? Astro Nerd, how you doing out there? Good morning to you, Rocket Beats. Good morning, Karen, Ender, Helder. Good morning, Silent NW Part 2. Good morning, Seth, Currendula. Good morning. Good morning to Larry, Miss Capellis, Kayla. Good morning, Kala, Captain Maz, Unknown Caller, Dips, Agola, SMC Tech, 23-hour trader, Einfach Trader, MZ Trader, Rinda, Briannon, Future Mamba, John K. Foe. Good morning, Kirk, Lazalo. Good morning, Jordy, Ransom Baggins, Jesse James, Trading Beast, Joey Adams, Brandon Slevin. Good morning, Nathan Yoder, Jordy. Good morning, Vinzen, KG Dana. How we doing out there? Dips, Angola, A-Trades, Roop, Tron, Big Sky, Cicino. Good morning. Almost got away with it. How we doing out there? Khalid. Good morning. Sunrise Driver. Woo! In the house. Emilio. Trader J. Trader Steve. Barefoot Greenback. Good morning, everybody. How's your day going so far? How's everybody doing out there? So today is going to be a very, very light day of trading. Very light day in the schedule. It is Friday, but it is weekly options expirations tomorrow. I'm sorry, not tomorrow, but next week, next Friday. That's going to be the doozy of the month. That is going to be Triple Witching Friday. That means that we get all of the monthly option expirations in the mix. We also get all the contracts rolling over. We get all the options expiring, all the futures contracts expiring. So next week is going to be a doozy. It's also roll week next week. The official CME data roll is June 17th, I believe. Yeah, Monday. Is that right? June 17th? Hold on a second here. Wait a tick. Let me see. CME roll. Let's see. It is the official date this year is the 17th on Monday. My goodness gracious. Wow. So yeah, that's coming up very, very quickly. Now keep in mind as well, we do have Juneteenth in the middle of the week next week. So on Wednesday, there's absolutely zero trading. Markets are closed on Wednesday. Maybe we'll do a fun stream here. I don't know. Probably not. I don't want to make any promises I can't keep. But hey, good morning there, Big Sexy. How you doing there? I'm just really, next week is going to be very interesting. I will say that. If you're looking to take the first 2 days of the week off, say Monday, Tuesday, I don't think it's a bad idea, because we have Wednesday being a holiday. I think Monday and Tuesday will give us very limited opportunities, but I think the real opportunities will return Thursday. But then Friday's going to be really interesting to see what's happening with the contract expiry. All of the monthly options are expiring as well. Yeah, so it could be a very, very interesting day here next week, next Friday. So this Friday today, it's only the weeklies. We are very, very limited on news there. Ribs, you must have already had a couple seltzers this morning. You're pumped up and ready to go. I love it. Hey, we're just trying to enjoy our Friday energy in here. It is Friday energy. Yeah, David says it's a good week to take off. I agree with you. If you're not trading at all, if you're not trading anything at all, then I think that you're probably in a good spot. I think that you're probably in a good spot to take that week off and just be kind of chilling there, big, super, ultra, mega, big chilling, and just not be too bothered by much of what's going on there. So today, Friday, we do have a couple pieces of news that are going to be coming out in 25 short minutes. Most of it is Canadian data. We get the manufacturing sales from Canada for April. The wholesale price sales are coming out as well. And then we get the May import price index for the U.S. alongside that data. So not really going to be that big of a tradable event, in my opinion. I just don't think that that's going to really move and shake around the market that much. So what I do think is that today is going to be focused around the 10 a.m. print. The 10 a.m. print is going to be the University of Michigan sentiment read. That's going to give us an outlook on what the economy is looking like, the current picture of it, because it's the June preliminary. It's actually pretty recent data. And then we get the 1-year inflation outlook, the 5 to 10 year inflation outlook, and we'll see if we can trend lower in those numbers. I'd be curious based on that if they're going to factor in the latest CPI print that we had 2 days ago. My goodness, it feels like a universe ago. But yeah, that was only 2 days ago. FOMC was only 2 days ago. Does it feel like for anybody else, FOMC was already last week? I don't know why. For me, it feels like that was already last week. Good morning, Ken. Good morning, Arrow Squad. Amateur Genius. Good morning. Good morning. So it's going to be very, very interesting. Very interesting today. I don't know if we're going to have much to trade. In fact, I do think that we should be doing some giveaways here. So let's get those likes up since we're probably not going to be trading all that much because really the best trade of the day is going to be reserved for 10 a.m. And we probably won't be streaming all that much to that time at least. Maybe we'll trade something on the open here. Maybe we'll trade. I'm not really sure, but yeah, if you get those likes up, what are we at right now? Get them up early. I want to do a poll, but I think that what we could do here is let's do a free combine giveaway at 700 likes, at 900 likes, at 1100 likes, at 1300 likes, and so forth. We'll do it every 200 likes, starting at 700. We'll be giving away a free Top Step combine. How does that sound? Do we think that's a good way to kick off our Friday? So we're not going to be really trading all that much. Let's just give away combines today. Every 200 likes that we get after 700. We'll just give away free combines. Let's do it. I mean, let's have some fun today. We like that? Let's do it. Hit that like button. We're at 225 likes. We got about 1,000 people in here watching. Let's do it. Let's have some fun today. I don't know if you noticed, but we did have a reset code that came out on slow markets yesterday. So if you missed slow markets, you didn't tune in there. I saw 3,000 people watching. That was extraordinary. I think it was Dakota's biggest stream to date, which was awesome. If you want to see Dakota streaming, he streams slow markets every single Monday through Thursday at 9 p.m. Eastern time on the Top Step YouTube channel. It's definitely worth checking that out. If you haven't seen it yet, it's a totally different style from the way that I trade, but he's my number one trading buddy. We talk all the time and we have conversely very different styles, but we learn a lot from one another. It's a beautiful thing, but I think that he is one of the most tremendous traders out there and he remains unchallenged in this space. I was looking on social media and there's a challenge floated out there, but unfortunately, there's nobody willing really to take it. So unfortunately, he will remain unchallenged in the space because I guess people don't want to lose to him. I wouldn't challenge him, maybe for sport, for charity or something, but I wouldn't challenge him thinking that I'm going to beat him. He's just incredible. But today, I also think there's going to be a fire drill for today as well, if you're tuning into Top Step TV. So, maybe we can have a nice little watch party in here or something. We'll see what happens here. But yeah, let's get those likes up and we'll do this lickety split. Let's go ahead and look at the charts over here and we can see, what's kind of going on here. What's going on is we kind of have double bottomed here. So we drew these lines on the chart yesterday, and these were just areas of liquidity that we were watching here. This was the sweep of liquidity that caught me off guard. I think it was that one. Was that the one that I just got face ripped on? Where's the one where, was it this perk that I got face ripped? No, it must have been this one. Yeah, it was this one. So we had that really exciting news come out yesterday, and I read the market terribly wrong, and that's where I got my face ripped off. Was I was trying to long this on the way down. So I had a terrible read. I finished the day down $18,000 yesterday. What did I post here? What did I finish the day down? $18,025. A massive, massive loss there yesterday across 6 of my Top Step combine accounts, which was, that was pretty bad. But, it happens. We're traders. We get through it. We have bad days. We hope to have days where we can bounce back from that. But that's definitely a lot of ground to make up. $18,000. It's a tremendous amount of losses to make up there. So, yeah, it's going to be difficult today. So we'll have to see. Valmood says, today you do 25K green. Yeah, you never know. We'll see. We'll try our darndest here to trade it up and see what we can do. But yeah, if you missed yesterday's stream, I always post my streams here. I always keep them up. Where is it? Go to my channel here. If you ever want to see any of my streams, you can just, let me scoot over here. If you ever want to see any of the streams that I have, you can just go right here. Just go to live. And you can see, there it is, $23,000 loss. You scroll down. It's mostly green, and I know that it's just annoying, but there you go. Red day, red day. There's red day, red day, red day. Yeah, they're in there. There we go. There's a bad stretch of days right there. Red days, red days. But yeah, there you go. Anyway, but yeah, it's definitely worth checking out if you ever want to see any of my past trades. You can go through my archive. You just go to the channel, you click live, and you can go through all of my trading sessions that I have posted there. So, yeah. So the last red one I deleted. There it is. Yeah, it's deleted. So, if you can't see this one, it's been deleted. So, yeah, let me see here. Is it? Doesn't look like it's deleted, but anyway. So yeah, that was a day where I ended up the stream $23,000 in the red. And that was a doozy, but I ended up trading in the Discord, made back about $5,000 of losses. So we finished the day down $18,000, $18,025 there. So yeah, it's important to share the good days and the bad days, because if you're only sharing the good days, it sets a totally terrible precedence for, what is the manageable expectations out there. Yeah, it was actually really funny. My phone started lighting up with all these notifications and everything. But it's really funny to see that the moment that I went red on the day, there was people yapping and yammering about it, and just like there's people out there that are posting things like this. I'm blue, dabba dee, dabba da, dabba dee, dabba da, and then look at that. There's the loss of 18,162. There's an obsession from this person who just, I'm thinking they're trying to hit me up for a date or something. I don't know. I thought they had a girlfriend. I'm not really sure, but. They've been completely just posting about me and everything, but living rent free in this person's head. It's hilarious. I think today they're out on their little raft that can barely fit all these people here. Boy, that looks crowded. My goodness gracious. Jeez Louise, that's crowded. There's no room to move around on that thing. Anyway, so yeah, so posting this, like the moment that I have, one of these, red days is just like, it's crazy. It's crazy. I mean, we're all going to have red days. It happens. Completely happens. It's it's one of those things where it happens. It happens to the best of us. So, what are you going to do out there? What are you going to do? There's not really all that much that you can do out there, unless maybe there is something. Maybe there is something that you could do. I don't know. Is there something you could do? What would you do? Is there something you could do to clap back at that? Somebody posts you have $18,000 of a loss. What can we do? What can we do? We could pop a cold one. We got a cold one open right here. I don't know. What can we do? What could we do? I don't know. Let me see here. Wait, what is it? What is this P&L thing? What is it? What is this? Right? What is that? Oh my God! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, he did it! Oh, he went and he did it. Oh, no. Oh, no. Well, I guess this is probably not going to get a post. Now, that's probably not going to get a post or a repost or a blue dabba dee. I don't think he has any service on that little raft that he's floating around there. But, where's the repost for that? Where's it? Yeah, so we are up right now $21,000 after losing a little bit here. So, yeah, there we go. We got, you can see these are June 5th. It's not like I bought these today and I'm like YOLOing combines or anything, but yeah, just one of those days, I guess, where you felt a little bit spicy. And you can see here, 51, 711. These are not like I YOLO'd these. These are all, I've been trading these. These are actually the ones that I ended the stream that I was a little bit red on yesterday. So yeah, there you go. Very interesting. Look at that. The viewership dropped 200. Everybody's just coming here to see me lose. And then you see all the fanboys that just leave. We just had a viewership drop of 200 people there. So imagine all those people coming directly to the stream just because they go, ah, ha, 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 you lost. Ha, 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 you lost. Not today, pumpkin. Not today. We're not doing that today. Oof. Not doing that today. Sorry to say. Oh, sorry for crushing your dreams on a Friday. I'm so sorry about that. But we'll see we see you folks another time. But yeah, that was great. Just took a little trade before we came on here, and good stuff. Anyway, so let's look for what we're going to be doing today. Since we are, it's going to be pretty hard pressed for me to take a trade up to $21,000 here. But yeah, there you go. Maybe we can. Somebody can post on Twitter about I'm blue dabba dee dabba die on this one. Where's the blue post on this one? Where's that? Nice day, Rips. F the haters are real, and that's why I watch you. No, it's fun. If it's out there, I like to have it. I'm always having fun, right? Regardless of whether or not I'm having a green day or a red day, I'm always having fun doing this. I really enjoy streaming with everybody in here every single morning. It's always a good time, right? But, sometimes I'm going to have a little bit more fun than other days. And, if we can't have a little bit of fun, what are we doing out here? What are we doing out there, So what is this? People are posting some other stuff in here. What is this? What is this? Somebody posted this in. Ugh, Jesus Christ. Yeah. Good Lord. Okay. Anyway. That is. Whew. Anyway. Get those likes up. Let's do a giveaway here. I would love to do a giveaway here. We're at 419. We'll do a poll as soon as we get up to 500 likes. We'll do that poll here. Those red numbers match his background too. That's why he uses a red background, because he's always red. But yeah, if you want to get gaslit, that's a good stream to go and watch. If you watched yesterday's stream, somebody sent me a couple clips of the replays and everything, and he's like, I would never go long here. Rips is long. Again, I don't know why his stream was all about me, but it's pretty funny. Rips is long. I'd never go long. And then 5 minutes later, he's taking a long, and then he gets immediately stopped out. Of course, doesn't show P&L. Never shows P&L, but he always has his back door ready. He loves his back door, by the way. Big fan of the back door. He's always like, hey, I'm not a trader. I'm a YouTuber. But then if he has that rare green day that he has, the one time out of 100 trading days where he has a green day, I'm a trader. I'm the best trader in the world. But yeah. Anyway, hope he enjoys his day on his little raft here today. So. Any reason for the GC move from overnight? Let's see. Let's have a little gander here. Let's see here. Oh, wow. Look at that. We are pumping up to that 2350 spot too. There's not really much news that I'm seeing outside of the Bank of Japan stuff. That's pretty much it. Outside of the Bank of Japan stuff, that's really it. That's honestly all I'm really seeing there. Yeah, European issues. Yeah, there you go. Is your market Clubhouse $7? No delay like in YouTube. There's delay on YouTube no matter which way you cut it. On Discord, there is no delay. So if you'd like to check it out, there you go. But anyway, if you ever want to feel better about your trading, yeah, there you go. Yeah, China's why the gold moves overnight. I did not see any headlines on that myself, but I'll stay tuned for that if you want to share that fire drill. Speaking of fire drill, we're going to have a fire drill in here if we get those likes pumped up. Just have to get them pumped up ever so slightly here. We are currently at about 500 likes. And like I said, once we get to 700, we'll do a giveaway for a free Top Step Combine every 200 likes. And we'll make it happen like that. Rips, you use copy trader. Is that why you're up 21K, or do you trade your accounts individually? Always copy trading. If I am trading more than one account, the copy trader that I use, you see if this pops up, is Replicanto. And it's the one that I recommend if you're trading on NinjaTrader or TraderBait. It's there you go. Nightbot put the link out there for you. There's three 830 prints. We have the Canadian data print, and we do have the import prices and the wholesale data for Canada as well. The wholesale sales for Canada there. Here, I'll show you the trade right here. It was right here. Little flushacito here to the downside. Shorting there, covering there at the dang near bottom. And that was the trade that we took this morning. And that was, here's the difficult thing about, and I'm not going to try to make excuses. Here's the difficult thing about streaming and trading is that you have a very certain window of trading. And I'm running Clubhouse, of course, but there's a lot of time that you don't have for trading when you're taking on all of these responsibilities. But I absolutely love that, right? I do it because I love doing this. And, profits aside, like, okay, whatever, who cares? There's going to be days where I don't have a good trading opportunity window, and that's where the days where generally my trading will suffer. But for the most part, I try to provide some value here in the mornings to everybody who spends their morning here with me, because I do appreciate all of you that tune in. But outside of that, it can be tremendously difficult to find trades in a market where, this is a great opportunity right here. I'm shorting into this break of these lows, looking for a new low. This was the hourly high and low right here. You can see I'm shorting into a new break of lows, which is one of my favorite setups. We had so much sell side pressure, and this pop was my signal right there. You can see once I saw that is where I started to go short into that. So we had that pop, it reversed on that, scaled into the position, short, add, boom, and pulled out right there. So that was my trade, and that was the one that brought me up 21.621.20 there on the day. What's funny about that is that we only have, because it was one single trade and it's copied that many times, look at that, $348 in commissions, and total across that many accounts is what? 66 number of trades, start date, end date. Yeah, there you go. But yeah, 100% win rate, average trade, $327, average winning trade, average losing trade. There you go. So there's all the stats on the day for it. So yeah, no losing trades today, just that one scalp to the downside. And I was doing that as I was wrapping up, writing up the morning memo there. So yeah, lots of fun. Hey, Ribs, am I correct that you have a discount code for Bookmap? Yes, indeed. It is located in the member deals section, as it always is, right there. That's the spot where you can find all of the most delicious and delectable codes that we have for any of the software platforms that we use. So whether or not that's Replicanto, whether it's Bookmap, TopStep, whatever, that's where you find all of the discount codes there that are hot, fresh, and ready to go. Rips, what is your Replicanto settings? Mine always freezes up on Ninja, then I have to manually adjust orders. Depends on your power of your PC there, Sandy, because if your PC is not strong, it's actually takes a lot of processing power to do that. You know, I copy traded 16 accounts this morning, and it's a little bit laggy sometimes. And so I would just try, if you're copying with 2 accounts and it's still laggy, there might be an issue with your processor, your memory. So there you go. Hey, Ribs, can you say good morning to my trading buddies, Mike and Bobby? Mike and Bobby, what's up? How you doing, Mike and Bobby? Good to see you this morning there. As for you, Nancy, thank you, Fade My Trade. Thank you very much. I love to see that. You do a little bit of one of these. Just, there you go. Hey, Ribs, thanks for setting me the Replicanto and for way easier for me to share than learning Sierra. Yeah, I mean, if you're using NinjaTrader or Tradeovate, Replicanto is your jam there. 60% code. The link doesn't let you buy with current account. The 60% off is already reflected in the price. So $49.99 or $149. That's the lowest. But if you tune in and you stick around, we will be giving away some free TopStep combines. So you don't have to buy anything. As soon as we get 160 likes, we'll do the first drop here. And then every 200 likes thereafter, we'll be giving away more free TopStep combines. Fast market reset code, like Dakota reset code slow yesterday. Yeah, it's there's going to be some free resets given out today on fast market. So you want to be looking out for that there. Rose, can you share the details on your PC, please? I have an Intel i9 14900K. I have some DDR5 RAM running at it's kind of underclocked, I think, at 5600 megahertz. And I have 128 gigs. And I'm running M2 drives for speed. And I'm trying to think what else. RTX 4090 for my graphics card. I'm ready for the 5090. But yeah, I mean, it's juiced up. And that's my main PC. I have a streaming PC that kind of patches everything through, that is a little bit less girthy, I guess you could say. But yeah. Rose, can you say hi to my mom, Tammy? She's not watching, but she has psychic abilities. Hold on. Yes. Okay, done. You got it. Ribs, where's the best place to message you if I want to get some setups built by you? I don't build, are you talking about computers? I don't build computers. I mean, I do for me, but I don't build them for other people. I enjoy it. It's like I built this computer, I don't know, back in February, or upgraded it, or I don't know. I think I built it back in February. I don't think I had to swap out that many parts, but I enjoy it. It's like, it's very therapeutic and just nice and chilling. So Ribs is the guy who caused the sell part. That was me. It was me. Yeah, it's my gaming PC. I mean, I haven't had any time to game in the longest time. Somebody was asking me if I'm going to start streaming gaming. I was like, yeah, I don't think I have any time for that. But it's really, really funny. Like, can you imagine me doing gaming streaming? That'd be funny. I would love the time. I mean, I miss gaming. I haven't had any time to game. I'm one of those people who has a bunch of games hoarded in Steam and, like, you know, PlayStation and Xbox library and all that. But yeah. You should create a PC brand and name it Ribs Tech. You know what's funny is I was actually going to start a computer PC building company when I was way younger, back when they're like 386s, 486s. But yeah, I never did. There's pretty decent margins on that if you can get the labor costs down. Ribs, did we get back to the market analysis? We were talking about the double bottom before your P&L reveal. Yeah, let's talk about the NQ here. Let's go back into it here. Let me pull up the correct NQ. We're still trading on the June contracts here. But yeah, looking at this double bottom here, it's going to be low volume, but I would be hard pressed to see us auctioning back down into this area unless we see sellers really stepping up on the tape here. And if that's the case, then it's probably likely that we're going to be in this distribution right here. And this is a large area of distribution. We found acceptance in the value of the pricing right there. So it's going to be difficult for us to break down and break out of that area. So I'm not expecting a lot from today, and I didn't even think that I was going to get the trade on that I got this morning. And so I was happy to get that nice trade, that nice flush, which was, you know, this over yonder. No, that's over here. this one over here. So yeah, it's one of those days where if you're super, super patient and you have all of the stars aligning for you and you have a really, really nice setup, that's where I think that it can work really, really well for you. But let me see here. If we're looking at, let's say, the 1 hour, seeing if we have any 1 hour setups here. Yeah, actually, you know, you could say that this could be a nice little setup here, perking up. We could use this whole bar here. And then we could say that this is bearish order flow right there. And so if we did retrace back into that, let's see on the 15-minute, if there's anything in there that we can capture. Not really, huh? And then, you know, at the top of that wick. Yeah, so I mean, that's what I'd be watching for retracement here, is back into that bearish order flow. And if we tap into that, possibly looking for rejection off of that. But, you know, it's one of those days where I could see us kind of, you know, meandering around here. Keep in mind, we do have a news release here dropping in about 2.5 minutes here, just 2.5 minutes there. Oh, you got to be kidding me. I missed a buy earlier on ES, and now it was consolidating for over an hour. Decided to take a sell on that range, and the next minute it shoots up, hitting stop loss. Oh, I'm sorry about that, George. It happens like that sometimes. Thank you, Fade My Train. We'll have to check that one out there on Twitter. That's good stuff. I see the post right there. That's actually really funny. I like that. That's too funny. That's good stuff. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I would say that we could potentially auction back into that there. So we'll have to see if that's going to end up happening. Let me ask you this, folks: is anybody long or short into this print? I want to be watching the print. I'm probably not going to trade it. You know, don't want to spoil a good thing here, but I will watch the print. I will give some commentary here. Anybody else having I know that not a lot of people are BT users out there, but is anybody having any BT issues this morning? I know it's a weird question, but I was having some earlier and it was like lagging and spazzing out. And so I don't really know. I have no idea. It's just weird. Totally weird. Totally weird. I don't know if there's any BT users in here or not, but yeah, just totally weird. What was the code for reset last night? It was slow. One word, SLOW. Currently long one mini in the shorts from 70s. I'm assuming this is all NQ stuff here. Very nice. Wow, in the shorts from 70s. What were you looking for on a cover there? Or which did you just shorted those 70s right there on that pop, right? Loretta Mester, she is speaking. When does she start? I don't have her on my schedule. Give me a second here. It's the problem when you have BT issues in the morning. That short is looking good here. Hold on. Now, I only have Goolsby on the docket today. I don't know why I don't have Mester. Miss Loretta Mester. I don't know why I have her. All right. Print's coming out here in 5 seconds. Good luck, everybody. We are perking up on that here. So it came in a little bit cooler. The May import price index was supposed to be negative 1.1%. It came in at negative 0.4%. So that's why we're having a little percocito here. So we are perking up on that. I really want to see if we can actually get up above 590s here. That's kind of the trigger point. I wouldn't be trading this noise just yet. Actually, quite low volume on that. Just give me a moment. I'm trying to get one of our members in here. Just give me one moment here. There we go. Alrighty. Yeah, so the slow code only worked during slow markets. Good morning, Mox. How you doing out there? Oh, that's weird. I don't have Fedmester on my calendar. Let me see. Why is that? What's going on over here? Let's see. My schedule. There we go. It's like I'm like looking at the schedule. What is going on here? Okay, there's Friday. Wait, no, where is it? Okay, there it is. Okay. ECB's lane. Yeah, I'm not seeing any of that on my schedule either. I'm looking on two different schedules. I have Goolsby and Cook, right? Goolsby is the only one, but I don't know. What is that on the juice there, Spastrick? It's got to be like a CNBC. Yeah, it's on juice. Okay. Yeah, could be like a CNBC thing or something like that. Keyboard, I use an Apex keyboard, actually. Funny name, right? The Steel Series Apex Pro. And it's the one with the 10 keypad because, you know, you got to do that. But it's my favorite keyboard of all time. Straight up. It really is. Yeah, Ferrari Phil, you got your one free reset. Nice. Very good. It's honestly, I've gone through, I think, only two of them over the last 5 or 10 years. They updated one of the little screen in it to an OLED screen, and I upgraded when they had that. But it's my favorite keyboard of all time. I have the pudding keys on it. Well, let me see if I can actually hold this up and you can see. I don't know if this is going to work or not. But, yeah, there it is. Oh, look, it's more blue. And you got, it says Rips right there. But, yeah, this is the fancy pants keyboard right here. Woo! Right? More blue. Look out. It's blue. Oh, no. Oh, goodness. Hey, Ribs, how did you make that 21K? Was it from an overnight swing? We showed that earlier. I'll show it again. We have some more people joining us here. But it was this trade right here. Just a little right there. Ribs keyboard buddies. Yeah, I love it. It's my favorite. It's Steel Series makes great peripherals. I've gone through a lot of different ones, but this has the best. I mean, this has magnetic actuation in the keys, so you can change like how hard you have to press on the keys. It's like butter. You just tickle this thing. You float across it like just dancing across this thing. It's wonderful. Why you took the trade? It was a breakdown setup. My favorite breakdown setup, where we're breaking down of the prior hourly low, which was this right here, breaking down of that. And then this was the rejection I was looking for. As soon as we got that rejection, which was a sweep of liquidity before the break of that low, that's what I was looking for. We yammered right down into that. And the moment that we had the first pop on that candle, took it right off there. So it's one of my favorite setups. Break of hourly low on heavy selling pressure. And that is exactly what I'm looking for there. Have you seen talk about DFE creating a gamma ramp? How's it possible will cause everyone to exercise sell options today? I mean, he's holding shares now. I don't believe that he has any options, so he doesn't have any gamma exposure whatsoever. He only has exposures via equities. So, yeah, he's not involved in any kind of gamma squeeze that I'm aware of. LFG Rips, I noticed you made it back. Told you now to see them. Little finger sweet about it. They won't. That's the thing. I mean, it was funny when we revealed that profit and loss. About 200 people dropped off from the stream, and I can't imagine why they did that. But there you go. Still at Triple Q's hourly gap. Let's see here. Let's bring that up. Discount. Good morning to you. Good to see you. Oh, you're right. Loretta Mester is. Hold on. Yep, she's speaking right now. So the juice was correct. The juice is loose. Here's the gap in the Q's that we're talking about here. The discount is pointing out this gap right here, right there. Usually those keyboards, you need to like slam the keys to type. No, this is like typing on butter. I have the pudding caps, which makes it even softer. It's just, you glide on this thing. It's just it's a wonderful, beautiful thing. What time is Fast Markets today? I believe it starts right at the market open. And Dakota's going to be on there. Let's see here. Rips, I just know, yep. You want to be alone with your keyboard for a few minutes. There you go. Good morning. Is that your XFA account? This is in Combines today. We copied across Combines. Do you think they'll give a reset code during regular stream too? Yes, they gave one in Slow Markets as kind of like the precursor, the pre-shot to the Fast Market stream that's going off today there. Speaking of Gamma Squeeze, any thoughts on Rocket Scooter on Spot Gamma? I've never used it before, but the owner's a very nice person. They're a nice guy. I think we follow each other on Twitter, but nice gentleman. And I've never used the tool before. So if you find value in it, great, fantastic. I have no feedback because I've never used it before. Rips, when will you host Market Clubhouse, Dakota or Nick? Hopefully next week or the following week, we're going to have Dakota on. And then Nick for a tick. He's a very busy man. So hopefully over the next week or so as well. Looking forward to that. I'd love to do the dual streams. It's a lot of fun. What version of Bookmap do I use? I am using 7.5 build 19. When can we expect your magic keys? These are what you're talking about, I'm guessing, right here. The Stream Deck keys. We're waiting on Cargo Colt. I'm ready to release these things, but Cargo Colt has been tremendously busy. He's a very busy man, creating a lot of amazing tools for everybody in Clubhouse. He created some hotkeys for Top Step X that are incredible, that I think nearly anybody who's trading on Top Step X here in Clubhouse, they're using them. But the Ninja Trader keys, they haven't been released yet. They're coming out soon. That's all I can say. They're going to be out when they're done and ready there. Nice, Julius. There you go. Anybody grab that pop liquidity there to the top side? Looking at that right there. Wow. So you can see we have a couple little cappuccinos there to the north side, but I do think that we want to see, if you're going to be taking a trade, you want to be waiting until we get up to 590s here. And up at 590s is pretty close to where the VWAP is actually. And so we'll have to see whether or not that holds the price action back. Let me pull my chart over here. And yeah, this is kind of what we're looking for here, is a potential rejection right around there. Just seeing if we can kind of face plant the price back down. I mean, it was tremendously weak, but if we start to shoot through that, I want to see what happens into this bearish order flow. And if that's the case, maybe potentially looking at a short there. Can we use the hotkey thing too, even though not a member on your Discord? When it's released, yeah, for sure, 100%. You don't have to be a member, of course not. But it's got to be released first. It's not. It's still in beta. I think it's ready for release. It works really, really well. But think about it. If we release that early and you use this hotkey tool and you get your face ripped off, you're not going to be a very, very happy camper. So we want to make sure that all the bugs are ironed out here. Okay, so Fed's Mester, who is retiring this year, by the way, says the latest inflation data has been welcome news. It didn't change my view on inflation, but it is welcome to see. This is her on CNBC right now. Data dependent means we are taking data as it comes in, obviously. Need to see inflation move down for a little bit longer, and it would be appropriate to keep rates at the current level until we're at the 2% target. So very somewhat hawkish from her. Here's a little news flash, Ms. Loretta Mester. We are not going to be seeing 2% anytime soon. So I guess we're going to keep these rates here indefinitely. Believe the quote neutral rate was higher coming out of the pandemic. Neutral rate moves around a lot. Okay. Thought the green bubbles represent buyers on Bookmap. Why is that green bubble bigger than the red portion? Yeah, the pricing goes down. This is the ask, the offer. Oh, there you go. This is the offer up here. So green represents the offer. Red represents the bid. So if it's selling down into the bid, you can see that liquidity was taken off of the bid. This liquidity was taken off of the offer. So very, very different there. Coach DBA, hey, good morning, buddy. You're up 21K. Yeah. Yeah, somebody already posted that on Twitter. I thought it was really, really funny. Just funny stuff. All right, so we are at 1,015 likes here. Let's start off with a poll, and then we're going to start doing some giveaways here, folks. Congratulations on getting those likes up. Really do appreciate it. Good morning, Flower. How you doing? All right. Will the NQ end the day above or below? Let's say... Yeah, I'm curious. Let's do this. Let's do 600 because that's fair. Above, below. There you go. All right, vote away, folks. Let's vote in that poll there. Any 50K codes? I'm going to be giving away free Top Step combines here as soon as we finish this poll. Let's get about 1,000 votes in this poll, and then we'll move on to the giveaway portion of the stream here. We'll do that. That would be really, really funny. I think that would be a lot of fun there. New contract today, 19,800s. I'm still not trading that. Let's go ahead and look at the open interest over here on that contract. Okay, so this is the cheat code. A lot of people look at volume. I think that's not a great way to deal with it. The official CME roll date is Monday. Now, here is, what is that squawk doing? The person's screaming right now. I think somebody's getting attacked. Like, I wish I could have shared that. That was really funny. So it was like, ah! There we go. So 40,000 is the open interest rate there on the September. Here, let me scoot this in a little bit here. September contracts, open interest is at 40,000. So we're getting there. We'll have to see on Monday. I think at least by Thursday. Thursday obviously will be rolled on over there. Hey Ribs, where can I buy a hotkeys keyboard for Ninja? Stream Deck. You want to get the Stream Deck, either the Stream Deck 15 key or the 32 key. That's what I would recommend there. Used to be Fridays, now Mondays. Yep. Monday, June 17th, the official CME roll date there. There you go. ES rising volume and falling open interest, NQ opposite. Let's see what they're saying on the whatchamacallit, on the S&Ps there. Yeah, I see that too. Ribs, you low-key look like Alan Wake. Who's Alan Wake? Let's see here. Alan Wake. That's funny. Hold on, I gotta bring that up. Alan Wake. That's pretty close, right? I guess my hair needs to be a little bit longer there. Who are the crazy people trading the December, March contracts already? It's hedging. It's hedging. Is there a free reset code? There will be on fast markets there. It's important to not wait too long to cut rates. Did I get that as well? I didn't see her say that for some reason. Didn't update on mine. Labor market remains strong. Impacts of pandemic remains with us. Feel we're in a good position in terms of risk to either side of our dual mandate. Person can't spell dual there. I thought you were Ellis from Die Hard. Oh boy, let's see. Let's see. That's pretty close right there. Found out that some may or may not have I'm not even gonna say that out loud. Oh my goodness. I was wondering where Rips went when you brought the picture. Yeah, I know, right? Oh goodness. Dakota gave out free resets yesterday. No form needed, just use the code. Yeah, slow was the code, everybody. Slow was the code. On fast markets today, there's going to be another new code there, so be watching out for that. Did we get 1,000 votes in the poll yet? That's when we're gonna move on. We're at 697 votes. Let's get these votes in. We got 2,000 people watching here. If half of you just vote, then we can move on to the giveaway portion of the stream. Come on. Yeah, the code might be fast. Anybody want to try the code fast and see if it works already? That would be funny. I mean, it would make sense, right? Toad. Yeah, slow is no longer valid, but let's try fast. Let's see if fast works. If someone is to wake every day daydreaming of fiber drills and free rats, what kind of advice would you recommend for them? Maybe limit Dakota's code into the... Yes, I wake up from dreams going, oh man, I dreamed I got a free reset. That was it. Ribs, you look like a person called Ribs. Do you know him? I might know that guy. Ribs, if I'm trading a combine account in Trade of 8, I don't have to buy live data. No, you don't have to. It's only if you want more than top of book. If you want, yeah, that data that pops up for like $39, that's if you want the full market depth. I think they give 100 levels if you buy in through them. With Bookmap, I have the full depth for the same $39 a month. But yeah, I mean, you don't need more than top of book if you have another tool that gives you the entire depth of the market there. By the way, we are pushing up just a little bit here, but you can see they're pretty heavy in these offers on the way up. Pretty heavy. I've always missed Fire Drill. How do you know when Top Step has them? They talk about it all the time on Top Step TV. They post about it on their social media, on their Twitter, on their Instagram. It's all over there. We are 190 votes away. 190 votes away, and then we can go ahead and close the poll and move on to the giveaways. Let's do the giveaways. I want to get these giveaways going. And remember, it's every 200 likes. So if we get to 1,300 likes, we got 3 giveaways to do. Back to back to back to back to back. Fast is invalid. Okay, so maybe they haven't unlocked it yet. If I was going to do a code, slow was for Dakota, I'd do fast, for fast markets. It's got to be. Maybe it's fast markets. Who knows? We'll find out shortly. Top Step is pushing for all the live traders to get their Series 3 license. And when you all get the license, does that mean you won't be able to continue live streams? No, I will still continue live streaming 100%. I might change around my disclaimers, but yeah, I'll still be live streaming here. Code is the golden turtle. There you go. Thought it was bell to bell today. It might be bell to bell. I'm not sure. I'm not on Top Step TV until Tuesday of next week. And I'm going to be trading alongside the GOAT himself, Mr. Coach Dakota there. All right, let's see here. I want to end this poll so bad. We are 117 likes away now. 117 votes away from ending this poll here. How would the disclaimer be different? Something along the terms that I am a financial professional. Something along those terms, I'm guessing. I would have to ask my attorneys and see. Why are traders getting their Series 3? What's the benefit? It's just a little bit of prestige, and it's good to have that market knowledge and prove that you know what you're talking about. It's good to have. Ribs, don't you have to be sponsored in order to take the Series 3? Not that I'm aware of. And if I do need to be sponsored, then Mr. Patak is sponsoring me. But it's not personalized advice. Yeah, I mean, I don't work for any financial firm. I'm independent. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't have any licenses currently. So I'm just a dude who sips Celsius on YouTube and talks nonsense. And is in a beautiful blue room here. Ribs, what was your college major? Any guesses? Any guesses out there? I got asked that question on Top Step TV, and nobody got the joke. I said it was marketing. Yeah, no, that's not true. I said it was marketing, but nobody got that joke. It's not finance either, but very close. You're close there, Royale with cheese. Very close. Yeah, Noah, you got it. You got it, Noah. There you go. Art history. Yeah, you got it, Noah. Cosmetology. Sanskrit. Yep. Pole dancing. You nailed it. No, computer science. It was computer science, believe it or not. A master's in candlesticks. There you go. Yeah. There you go. You think a CS background makes you a better trader? No, but I've been programming since a very, very young age. I started programming in BASIC, was my first programming language from a very, very young age. And I don't know, it worked well with the way that my brain works. I like puzzles and problem solving, and if you're writing code, you get to create your own universe in there, and that was always exciting to me. You can define functions and how they work, and it's always it's a cool thing. I think programming is very cool. I'm not very good at it anymore because I haven't really kept it up. But last language that I think I was proficient in was JavaScript, and then Python, and then nothing really beyond that. I learned CPP, C#, but not very good at it anymore because I haven't kept on practicing it. But what's funny is I haven't written any code ever since we've had all these AI assistant tools out either. I think it'd be a fun thing to do to check that out there. So are you a Silicon Valley startup alum? Maybe I might have some fingers in those pies. You never know. I am down with OPP. You know me, believe me. I use the language of cancer known as Java, not JavaScript, but Java, the classic. I mean, Java's tough. That's a tough language. That's a very difficult language there. Basic, better go with Pascal. Yeah. I mean, Basic was easy. Basic is basic, It's not a very good language. It's a terrible language, very clunky and not very good, but yeah. TV rolls over in advance. Why? That's why the price for ES and Q are different. Yeah, if you can see on my trading view here, I actually am forcing the June contract. And you wonder, how do I get that? You type in NQ, just like that. You click this arrow button, and then boom, Look at all these contracts. We can actually see the contract down to December 2029. Look at this. Oh, no data. Let's see. How far can we go out here? Can we see what's going on in 2026? Ooh, look at that. Oh, we got a bidder at 16,230. You better get in there while it's hot, folks. So if you want to see the future, in December of 2026, the NQ is going to be trading all the way down at 16,230. I told you there's going to be a crash. It's coming. Nah, that's not how that works. But yeah, there's the NQ contract that's rolled. This is the September contracts that we're not trading on yet. You can see they have a little bit of volume coming in, but it's not as thickly traded as what we're seeing here in the June contract still. It looks very, very similar, but believe it or not, we're actually having much more volume going through these there. Caltech guy? No, not Caltech. Everyone jokes about COBOL, but I know old timers that are consulting for $200 an hour on COBOL. Wow, that's insane. Yeah, I guess for old systems that still are using that language, yeah, there's a niche for it, right? There's always going to be a niche for it until finally there's not. All right, let's see here. Okay, perfect. I'm going to end the poll. Let's start doing some giveaways here. Let's do some giveaways. All right, very easy giveaway here. This one's very, very simple here. So this one's very simple. All you have to do is go to Not the Roaring Kitties post and just retweet it or leave a comment below. That's all you have to do. I posted that there in chat. Leave a comment below or just, retweet it or whatever you want to do. That's what we'll do on the onset there. So blow up that hilarious tweet by the Roaring Kitty. And that's going to be the first giveaway for a free Top Step Combine there. Free month of Clubhouse for the correct answer. Maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll do that there. Wow, look at that. Blowing up very, very quickly there. Oh, goodness. Ribs, if you do not have a blown combine at the time of a fire sale, can you bank the code for a future date when you blow a combine? No, you can't, unfortunately. No, you cannot. There's nothing you can do there as far as that goes. Oh, snap. What happened the next day? Don't be jealous. Retweet channel. What about those that don't or have used X? We'll do another giveaway. I'm going to do a keyword giveaway for you there, folks. But we'll do this one in about 2 more minutes, and then we'll move on to the next giveaway because this is just a little fun, little niche giveaway there. Happy Friday to you there, Fernando Tarazona. There you go. Did you trade some sort of news this morning? How'd you get high in pre-market? We blazed it up. So here's the trade that we took right here. What was this? Flushacito. And then here's the old P&L over here. Bring this on over. There we go. There it is. There's the trade of the day there. There it is. Good stuff. All right, so let's see. Let's go ahead and put this into the giveaway machine now. All right, Twitter. Where's the thing? Twitter giveaway. Give me a second here. I have it like in my history. I got to bookmark this page. Twitter bot or whatever it's called. What is it? Twitter giveaway bot. There you go. Twitter picker. Here we go. Okay. Options. Come on down. Okay, so here we go. Here's the tweet. Make sure you get those retweets in, folks. And we'll just run this one up. So this is what this looks like over here. You can see there's Mr. I ride in an overcrowded raft himself talking smack yesterday. And then there's the response from Not Roaring Kitty over there. Oh. All right, so let's run it up here. So if you retweeted that, you are in the entry right there. And let's go ahead and continue. All right, 113 entries are loaded up. Here we go, folks. Let's go ahead and get this drawing locked and loaded in here. Let's see. Go to continue. And here we go. Get this draw going right here. Here we go. Here we go. Good luck, everybody, for the first Top Step Combine. Here we go. It is... Wait, why were you rejected? No. Wait, hold on. Why would you be rejected? For a profile picture? No, that's not fair. All right, so sorry, Roberto, but Tron was the official winner. I have to give it to Tron here because I didn't mean to have that. So Tron, you are the winner there. You're the winner. Give it up for Tron there. Sorry, Roberto. I'm sorry about that, but I have to give it to the actual winner here. That's the actual winner there. So there you go. Give it up for Tron, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so there we go. Easy. Lemon squeezy peasy, whatever. There we go, folks. Awesome. All right, let me message you real quick. Congrats, free combine. Send me your first and last name and timestamp. There you go. Just sent you a DM there, Tron. So just respond to that at your leisure. We'll get you that. Top Step Combine. All right, moving on. Let's do another one here. We'll do this on a keyword giveaway for everybody here in YouTube chat. Now, to be qualified for this giveaway, this one's very, very easy. All you have to do is follow me on Twitter and Instagram. We're trying to get to 10,000 followers on Instagram here. And then on Twitter, we are well over 20,000. I guess we're going for 21,000 followers on Twitter. So just follow me there at Selling Rips. There's a lot of scammers out there now. As the channel has grown, there's a lot of scammers out there, unfortunately, there's a lot of scammers out there, and it's a terrible thing. And they're going to try to scam you with, they're going to open up with like this. This is how they always open it up, and this is how you know that you're not talking to me. First of all, I love you all, but I'm never going to reach out and just DM you for no reason and say, hey, this is my secret account. How's your trading been going? That's how they always open it up. That's their cold open. They always do, how's your trading been doing? Or broken English. How is the trading been going? And it's like, okay, it's a scammer, right? By the way, I'm working on this new Bitcoin bot. You got to check it out. Oh, send me this, It's not me. It's never going to be me. So if you're getting a DM and it looks like it's from me, it's not from me. I'm never going to reach out to you. I'm sorry, but it's not me. I will never reach out to you. I promise you that. If you reach out to my official accounts, I probably will respond to you. I try to respond to as many people as possible. But if I'm reaching out to you willy-nilly on the fly and you get followed by somebody that looks like me and all of a sudden they start talking to you, guess what? It's not me. I'm sorry to say that. So be aware of scammers out there that are using my good name to try to scam you. I'm never going to ask for crypto. I don't want your money. I'm never going to trade for you. I didn't create a trading bot. You can't copy trade me, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. There's no such thing. This stream is what you get. That's all I'm here to offer. You can come and watch on YouTube. That's it. If you want to come hang out in Clubhouse, the link is posted here in the YouTube chat. That's it. That's all it is. That's all it's ever going to be. But I get people who have had conversations with these people and they send me these conversations. They think that they've been talking to me the whole time because they just kind of, they do this all day. Like they're scammers from all over the world and they do this all day. But anyway, there's the rant. Don't do it. Don't respond to them, block them, report them. And hopefully we can get rid of all of those scammers out there. Okay, so just, again, make sure you're following me on Twitter and Instagram at Selling Rips. Selling Rips, one word, Selling Rips. Now, I'm going to do the code here for the giveaway, and it's very, very simple. All you have to do is, very, very easily, is just type in the keyword that I'm going to provide, and that's it. You type it in one single time, and then I'm going to call out your name. If you win, you type in your username without the @ symbol. So in this case that I won, I just write the word Selling Rips, and then I'd write, that's my Instagram, and set it in 2 lines. Don't put the @ symbol, and you get 60 seconds to claim your prize here. 60 seconds to claim, okay? So this is going to be the first keyword. Let me see. I'm thinking about any suggestions that we could do for the keyword here. I know. Hold on. Let me get the Nightbot ready to go. Let's do this. Load this up here. Come on down, Nightbot. Where you at? Come on down. Okay, loading up here. Loading on up. Okay. All right, so we will do a giveaway here. We're going to do a keyword. Channel member luck is going to be 10 times the luck. So if you want the 10 times the luck, you click that join button right down below. It'll give you 10 times more luck. Let's see. Let's see here. I think that's a good keyword. Okay, let's do this. Keyword is going to be tiny overpriced raft. Tiny overpriced raft is going to be the keyword. Tiny overpriced raft. That is the keyword. Just type it in one single word, folks. Tiny overpriced raft. There you go. That's the keyword. Type that in. That's how you enter into the giveaway of the day here. Tiny overpriced raft, because if you're spending $500,000 on something that doesn't even sleep people and it's overcrowded when you go out to have a little fun, boy, you got scammed on that thing. What a joke. My goodness gracious. So tiny overpriced raft. I mean, get some staterooms in there or something. Come on, get your money up, my friend. Tiny overpriced raft is the keyword. Get your money up. Come on. Tiny overpriced raft is the keyword there. You don't want to be crowded when you're doing your thing. You don't want to be crowded on a little dinghy, do you? Come on, tiny overpriced raft. Oh my goodness, tiny overpriced raft is the keyword here, folks. We already have 400 people here that are eligible. So there you go. There's the keyword, tiny overpriced raft. You see the videos that are posted like, hey, excuse me, coming through. Oh, goodness gracious. Look out, I'm coming through. I got to get by you here. Oh, can you move really quick? I can get down to my fishing pole down there. Oh, man. The dealership's like, I don't know. Would you pay $500K for it? Done. Wait, really? I would have given you this thing for like $100K. It's a piece of Oh, goodness. Tiny overpriced raft is the keyword. Tiny overpriced raft. There you go. Tiny overpriced raft. All right, folks, let's do the giveaway here. We got 500 people, and we are rolling in 5, 4, 3, 2, and rolling. Silent NW part 2. You have won the giveaway. I'm going to go ahead and send you the message here. Congrats. Free combine. There we go. Sent you the DM there. Very, very nice. All right, folks. Let's do another one because we do have so many likes popping off here. Like I said, we'll do it every 200 likes. Every 200 likes, we're going to be doing that. All right, let's do a keyword here. And we'll do a nice happy one here. Nice little happy one here. So this is for the next giveaway here. Next giveaway is going to be Good Vibes Friday. Good Vibes Friday. There we go. Good Vibes Friday. Good Vibes Friday. This is all entertainment, folks. We're just having a good time in here. I'm not trading anymore here. We're just having a good time, you know. Why not? Let's have a little fun here. It's Good Vibes Friday. We like to have fun here, don't we, Discount? We like to have a good time in here. It's good stuff. And where are we? Here in my garage. Hold on, sorry. I'm not huffing exhaust fumes right now to lower my brain cells and get my brain cell count lowered. Huffing that exhaust. It just kills off the weak breaks. There you go. Good Vibes Friday is the keyword there, folks. Good Vibes Friday. I mean, this is a rarity that we have fun streams like this. You know, you are usually always serious about the business, but why not? Let's let our hair down a little bit. You know, we still have our hair. We're not balding in the front, losing our hair or whatever you want to call it. We still got it. We still have our hair here. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, here we go. Good Vibes Friday. Good Vibes Friday is the word. That's the keyword here, folks. Good Vibes Friday. Good Vibes Friday. Here we go, folks. Good Vibes Friday. Ty Lopez, here in my garage, he became famous. Yeah, that's a good one right there. Yeah, it's pretty. He said he bought a Lambo yesterday. It's so funny what you can do when you just poke people. Just make them spend their money recklessly. Like, oh, what are taxes? Oh, I got to pay those things. Dang it. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness gracious. Anyway, we're never going to have one of these fun streams for a long time, so we might as well get it all out while we can, right? Get it all out while we can. Good Vibes Friday. Good Vibes Friday. That's the keyword, folks. We have 467. As soon as this number gets to 500 likes, that's when we'll run it up. Good Vibes Friday. Good Vibes Friday. Let's do it. Good Vibes Friday. Good Vibes Friday. All right, folks, here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rolling. Shane Retberg, you have won a free Top Step Combine. Let me get you, buddy, here. Retberg, there we go. Congrats, free Combine. That is... When's the last time you won? Oh, back in February you won. Very, very nice there. All right, how many likes are we at right now? Let's see if we do just one more here. Let's see. How many likes are we at here and now? Let's see. We are currently at 1456. I think I owe you folks one more here. We'll take a little breather and then we'll do it again. But yeah, Shane Retberg with the 10x luck over here. Clicking that join button. That's how it happens there. All right, let's scoot this over here. This is the price action currently. It is like Christmas, Shane Retberg. I mean, you won, I think you won, this is like your 5th or 6th win. It's amazing there. On your money trade, what gave you the aha moment to actually get in? Yeah, let's talk about that. That's fair. So right here, we're looking at, this is the hourly low right here. And what I'm looking for is a draw of liquidity for a break of that hourly low, because that is going to be a target of liquidity down there. So the moment that we perked up in that, that's where I was taking that short. It's one of my favorite setups, is a break of hourly low or a break of hourly high. And this was my trigger point. When I have a candle that does a big draw of liquidity like that and whips right up to the top side there, and that's what I'm looking for. No, I'm firing shots at not at that. No, just don't even worry about it. It's all good. Trust me, it's all good. We're just having fun in here this morning. We're just having fun in here. Where's the MC10X luck? It's on the YouTube thing. It's on the YouTube thing there. Good vibes Friday. There it's okay to be bald. Shave your head, right? It's okay. Shave your head. Don't have like a little chia pet thing growing there. Just shave your head. I'm bald, but my beard is glistening. There you go. There you go. Rips, a bit unrelated, but what do you do to put captions in your shorts, please? I don't know. I'd have to ask my editor there. Why do you trade micros and not minis? I did trade minis. This is a minis trade right here. So yeah, I can trade whatever I want. The first time I ever traded micros was yesterday on stream. I think that's the first time I've ever traded micros on stream. So I do trade the minis there. Eunice, I do trade those minis there. What brand of motor oil do you use on your beard? I think it is castor oil or something. I can't even remember. What is the motor oil? Mobile, that's what it is. Mobile, 30 weight, 30 weight. Or 20 weight. I think it's 20 weight, actually. There you go. Got about like 5 years before I go Mr. Clean. There you go. Davey, see? There you go. You look beautiful. That's beautiful right there. I did trade micros previous about a month ago. Okay, yeah. Was it on Top Step X, right? That was when I traded the 50Ks on Top Step X. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so that's what it was there. Not losing my hair, just moved my back. I don't go full synthetic. I only use the 30 weight there. Just the 30 weight, unfortunately. I'm just confused because my NQ is at 19,800s. Yeah, so it's the contract. You want to change it to the June contract. We're all going to be on that contract next week, so it's no big deal. You can trade on that contract today. It does have some decent volume coming in there. Give me free combine, please. Well, we'll do one more roll for the giveaway here. We are at 1,487 likes. I really appreciate everybody sticking around for that. We're having some fun today, poking some fun. Some just joshing around, some clapping back, some good times. You know, some days we'll have that where we're not streaming like crazy, but and trading like crazy, but you know, have some fun here. We'll have some fun sometimes, right? XFA was $10 from maximum loss limit, now at 200. Pray for me. Hey, there you go. Nice work there, Jeff. Way to go there, buddy. Rips, does the social media drama not get irritating? You got to have fun with it. You got to have thick skin and you got to have fun with it. I don't really mind. I mean, think about it. The deepest cut that this guy goes for is he uses blue lights. Yeah, he uses blue lights. Ah. I mean, okay. All right. You got me. Dang. My heart is broken. But no, yesterday was the whole post about being down, 18 grand. So I had to clap back today. And that's what we're doing today. We're just having fun there. What self-tanning lotion do you use? It's called the Mother Nature brand of the sun, being out in the sun, laying out by the pool. Why is price not moving? Because I have the chart still moved over to where I actually took my trade. I'll scoot it back over. There we go. Because it's a screenshot, and this is all funny business. It's all a scam, and I'm tricking everybody in here. Rips, how are you so great at getting back from a day like yesterday? I mean, there's a little bit of luck involved, but that was my setup, hourly low. And I was kind of bird dogging the setups as I was writing my morning memo. I don't usually trade during that time because my day usually goes, I have my morning prep, and then I'm doing my analysis on the market, and then I'm writing the morning memo, I'm preparing the morning memo, and it's chock full of different tickers. I mean, we don't just focus on NQ and ES. It's SPY, triple Qs, Apple, Microsoft, NVIDIA, Google, Meta, Tesla, and then I give a kind of final word on what I feel is going to be happening for the day and what's important, the news events to look out for. And then I give out the E-mini levels for the NQ and then the NASDAQ and the S&Ps. But then on Mondays, I give out levels for the Russell. I think we do the Dow now. We also do gold. We do crude. So there's a lot of work that I usually do in the morning. But this morning, I had it in my mind that I was going to be bird dogging for a nice little trade, and that's what I found, and I was able to take that, and it worked out. If I come on stream and I say, hey, guess what, back to back, I'm down like, another 10 grand. I had my stop where I would have been down about, 10 grand across the board. So it's about just over 2 to 1 risk reward. So I could have come on stream and been like, yeah, it's another garbage day for me. I traded on my combines. I'm down 10K across my combines. That could have easily happened. But, you put risk into the market. You hope for the best. And in this case, it worked out there. There you go. Ribs, what state are you streaming from? The state of bliss, my friend Stoa. We are trading here from the state of bliss. How did it all started with that guy? I thought you two were... No, we're cool. I mean, he DMs me all of his little secrets on Instagram, then he erases it. He doesn't want to admit that, but he DMs me those disappearing messages and all of his little secrets, and then it's like, oh, I never messaged. Like he's very very cute with that stuff. But yeah, he watches my stories on Instagram, follows me on all my social media. He's he's a big fan. And I can't blame the guy. If I was in his shoes, I'd look up to me too. So can you do a giveaway for Dakota's VW? Does he have a VW there? Does he have a VW? I thought he had a nice 2000 Civic or something. I didn't think he had a VW there. Do you mind showing us how to flip contracts, like you said, to see the same numbers? So if you're trying to bring down your P&L, that's all I'm talking about when I'm saying... talking about flipping contracts. Coupon code for Replicanto. Let's get that here for you. There you go. Copy. There you go. It's going to come up right here, right now. The Nightbot is going to give that to you. Wait, Coach has a VW? I thought he had... I'm so confused about that. Up a little, not wanting to fight the market, just going to chill. There you go, Lucifer. Very, very nice. Dakota's VW is broken. See, I don't even know that. I'm completely confused on that stuff. Giveaway for a 14-inch monitor? Why would you want a 14-inch monitor? Get like an iPad instead if you're going to use a 14-inch monitor. Oh my goodness, VW doesn't run. Yeah, I didn't even know about that. I thought he had just a Honda Civic out there. Wow, Dakota has 2 cars. My goodness. Can you show how combined all you account P&L on Ninja Trader? Yeah, if you rewind the video, you can find it. But here, we'll show it just for you. There you go. There you go, just for you. There it is. And you can pause the video, you can screenshot the video. You can see that these are the exact same accounts I traded yesterday. But yeah, there you go. And, make sure that in the future that instead of focusing on your own accounts and your own P&L, that you come and harass a streamer and you pocket watch them, because that is the key to trading. That is how you get big P&Ls for yourself. That is exactly what you do there. That was a 3-contract trade, I believe. 3 contracts there. Why so many Top Step accounts? Why not? Load up the bench, baby. Have as many as you want there. Am I still on the M contracts? I am trading on the NQM contracts there. Asking how you combine the accounts. Oh, how do I? Okay, yeah. So that's with this right here, which is the trade performance window. It's this. Here, let me scoot this over here. This is the trade performance window right here. Right there. Trade performance. There's all my account numbers. There you go. It's the trade performance window. But it's on NinjaTrader, and it gives you your performance for the day. And there you go. Wow, awesome P&L. Congrats, Rip. Sorry, late to the stream. Woke up late. Summer break for the little ones. Welcome back here, Mike James. My Discord is still blocked 1 hour after payment. Angelo, I sent you a message. All you have to do is sync your new account. So your Discord user is already connected to the other member. So on your first account that you created, the other one that I sent you, which is your NYC Signs email, go into that email, disconnect the Discord from that one, and then we can, here, I can actually, you know what? I'll just delete that account. We'll make this easy. And let's see. NYC Signs. Here we go. And then we'll just delete this member. And there you go. Boom. All right, you should be able to do it now. Go ahead and sync it up with the new one there. Yeah, that's the thing. It's like it tries to protect against people abusing the system. So you should be good now, though. You should be all good. Should be all good. If you have any problems, just let me know. I want to make sure you're getting in there. Let's see here. Above 75 or below 30 for today. I think that most people were saying that it's going to be above 600 today. We are trading here now, 557. We are going to see the market here open in about 15 minutes there. Nice, you're in. Nice, welcome back. Good to see you back in. Back in business with us. There we go. Very, very nice. Love to see it there. Does Top Step allow more than 3 accounts now? Yes, they allow 5. 5 XFAs is what you can trade now. 5 XFAs. There you go. If you have 5 XFAs, once you pass a new combine, how will it be? How will it work for this new pass combine? So the cool thing about it is that they just completely wait in the wings. the moment that you have less than 5 active XFAs, the clock starts and it starts going for 30 days. If after 30 days that let's just say that you have 4 live XFAs and 20 past combines, well, come 30 days, if you haven't moved one of those combines off your bench into XFA land, all of those combines would be gone forever and you'd never be able to use them again. So what I recommend is always having 5 active XFAs. I have a bunch of past combines, and yeah, there you go. That's what I'm dealing with over here. That's what I'm working with. Tops Up TV's chat looks like, oh goodness, why is it talking about the good old reset code out there? Yeah, we'll do one more giveaway here. Let's do one more giveaway, and then we'll probably kick off into the Discord and hang out in there. I want to get some music going, and I can't play music on YouTube, unfortunately. So I want to get going over into the fun stream. Not that this isn't fun. We're having a great time here today, but I want to get some music going. It's Friday. I got those Friday feels going. That's what I want to do. All right, so let's see here. And I know you folks love that here. Whenever I talk about just coming in to the Discord only, it's like... Ribs, have a great weekend, buddy. MC, thank you for pleasure. Yeah, thank you, SW. Thank you for leading those sessions. Hopefully we'll see you back on Tuesday. If we don't see you Tuesday, we'll see you on Thursday for your morning session with Mr. Kofifi. All right, let's do this. Giveaway time. Final giveaway of the day here, folks. Final giveaway. We'll do a keyword for, let's see here. Final keyword will be, let's just keep it nice and simple here. Keyword's going to be right here. Happy Friday. Happy Friday is a keyword. This is for one free Top Step Combine. One free Top Step Combine here. How do you join the Discord? Very, very easy. Right here. There's a link right here. Oh, it's gonna now it's gone forever. Happy Friday there. If you saw Nightbot, it was sharing it there. Depreciation is bad. The VW KBBs for 7K and Honda Civic for the 18K. Nice. There you go. Stacking it up over there. There we go. There we go. Happy Friday is the keyword. And this is for a free Top Step Combine. No strings attached. It's not a discount, not a reset. If you've never traded on Top Step before, this is a great way to get started. And I want to hear about whoever wins this. I want to hear about you coming back here and saying, hey, passed the combine, took it to XFA land, took a payout. Boom. All for freezies. That's what I want to see there. NW, you're so funny. All right, when this gets to 500, we'll do the giveaway here, folks. So make sure you get those entry in. Happy Friday, one word. Happy Friday is the keyword. And then we'll go sail off into the sunset here. I'm just going to leave it alone. I'm not even going to say it. Oh, goodness. Here we go, folks. We got about, we'll run it for one more minute. So whether we get to 500 users that are eligible for the giveaway, or we do it for another minute. Anyone got the code that Tops of TV are talking about? Anybody have the code? Did they give it out yet? I don't know if they gave it out yet. Oh, today's stream is funny. Oh, goodness. I hope I didn't offend anybody. I hope everybody's, understand. We're having a good time here. We're just joking around. We're joshing around. We're having some friendly influencer drama, I guess you could say. Code only valid during the Top Step TV stream. Gotcha. I like that, Futures Frank. That's a great emoji right there. I love that. Code was not given out yet. Okay. There you go. All right, folks. 450 folks are in here. Let's go ahead and roll it. This is for a free Top Step Combine. Remember, when you win, you have to be following me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and that's it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and rolling. NZT Trader, another channel member. NZT Trader, are you with us? I don't recognize your name from Discord, so please type in whatever your username is on Instagram or Twitter. We'll give you 60 seconds to claim it here. NZT Trader. I love the name, by the way. NZT Trader. I love that name. NZT Trader. You want a free combine? Come on, step on down. It's time to party, my friend. NZ discount, huh? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's you, dude. Yeah. All right, I'm going to put you on the clock here. 60 seconds starting now. 60 seconds have begun right here, right now. Wait, that's not you, is it really? No, it's not. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. It's no way it is you. Oh my gosh. Give it up for dude. Oh, you silly dog. All right. I'm going to send you the code here. All right. Send me first, last, name and top step email address. There we go. I sent you a DM. There you go. Awesome. Congratulations to our winner, dude. Awesome. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. All right, folks, what I want you to go and do is head on over to Top Step TV. Drop a little rips rate over there. Let's get the party started. Let's go support our trading buddy, Coach Dakota, over there. Let's do a little rips rate. Here's the link right there. That's where you ought to be sent to. That's where you ought to go. Drop a little rips rate in chat. Thank you, everybody, for tuning in. We're having a lot of fun here today. Thanks for putting up with just the hijinks and the silliness. You know, we'll be back to basics back on Monday and Tuesday for some real bare knuckle trading out here. Good to see everybody in here. Thank you for joining me on your Friday morning here. We'll do some more giveaways on Monday, so make sure you stop by and check it out. Good luck today, everybody. Take it slow. And remember, it is a weekly options expiration day, as well as 10 a.m. is the day, the time that you want to be watching for that data, 10 a.m. Eastern time. So take care, everybody. And and if you do want to support the stream, besides liking it on your way out and leaving a comment when the video is posted at a later time, what you could do just helps me out a little bit is just right here, right there. You just click that link, click allow cookies, and then close the page. That's it. That's all. It really does help me out. It shows support for the stream here. So really appreciate it, folks. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you bright and early on Monday. Have a good weekend. Take care.